Hey guys, my name's Jack Jennings, and today I'm going to be sharing my experiences flying American Airlines Flagship Business class on the 777-200 from New York JFK to Athens, Greece. My travels actually started the day before in Washington, D.C., but due to some weather delays and agents that didn't want to let us on the flight, I didn't get the chance to film much beforehand, so we'll just jump right in.
Please maintain physical distance from others.
Hello.
Hi. Where are you going to?
Athens.
Last name?
Jennings.
Jack?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I don't know, because I'm interested, I'm input everything essentially.
So you think Terminal 1 is going to act?
Hello, how
Hello.
are you?
Good. I'm going to Athens.
Yes. I just need your passport and your vaccine card.
Yes. Here you go.
Okay,
Thank
you know
you.
where the club is, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Passengers traveling in Flagship First or Business out of JFK are able to use American's Flagship Check-In, a private and premium check-in area with a couple seating options while you wait. It feeds directly into an expedited line for security, which I couldn't film for obvious reasons. Normally I would be able to access the Flagship Lounge, which is an upgraded experience from the domestic Admirals Club. However, these lounges are closed until October due to COVID-19 restrictions. As it happens though, I would still be able to visit the Flagship Lounge as it had been temporarily converted to an Admirals Club to maximize space, although without the upgraded food and drink options.
Hello.
How are you?
Not bad. Yourself?
Good, thanks. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Not bad. Yourself?
Good. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you?
There are two types of seats used on American's 777-200 aircraft. This aircraft featured the lesser of the two, the Saffron Concept D lie-flat seats, which are arranged in a 1-2-1 herringbone configuration, alternating between backwards and forwards-facing seats. Common complaints include that these seats are narrower than other options and that the walls are too high, although these have never bothered me. It's overall a pretty good seat for a long-haul flight.
Good afternoon from the flight deck, ladies and gentlemen. This is Captain Bowers. We're all ready to go up here. Looks like they're putting the final touches on the bags right now. Now, very shortly, we'll be on our way to Athens. It should be a pretty nice ride over there this evening. Athens currently has part of cloudy sky. Temperature 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 20 degrees centigrade. One thing I need to go over with you real quick, I know you've heard this several times already today, but everyone on board is required to wear a face covering that covers your nose and mouth for the duration of the flight. If you have any questions about this policy, among the flight attendants would be happy to answer that for you. I'll show you a great flight to Athens this evening, and I'll talk to you again when we get up in the air.
American's Amenity Kits are in bags provided by LA-based travel brand This Is Ground. There are a variety of colors and styles used. This kit comes with a plastic pen, an eye mask, socks, an ad for an Advantage Aviator Red World Elite MasterCard, Allies of Skin branded lip balm and hand lotion, tissues, a toothbrush, mouthwash, toothpaste, and finally, earplugs. Dinner service started shortly after takeoff. I ordered champagne, which I was surprised was on the menu, given that American usually only has Prosecco or Cava available in business. It was served in a plastic cup, due to COVID cutbacks, along with a bag of spiced nuts. The meal came along shortly after, with an appetizer and main served on one tray. Of course, no steak dinner is complete without a good glass, or plastic, of red wine.
about 77 degrees Fahrenheit. On behalf of your entire flight crew, it certainly has been a pleasure serving you this evening. We certainly do appreciate your business, and we all hope to see you again on American Airlines.
Thank you.
Did you get a lot of footage?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Alright, so need to find the train. I've never taken a train in Athens, so I don't really know how we're on. The escalator's not working. It starts when you walk up to it. Yeah, so that's how it works.